Hello! Welcome to Easy English at Home YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to use reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns, that's what we're gonna focus on today. But let's start by remembering the subject and object pronouns. We use subject pronouns to refer to the person doing the action. And we use object pronouns to refer to the person affected by the action. So object pronouns always go after a verb, remember? Like, I can help you. I is the subject pronoun and you is the object pronoun. And it goes after the verb help you. Yes? Now, what about reflexive pronouns? Well, the form changes completely. We can look at reflexive pronouns in two groups, singular ones and plural ones, right? So let's start with the singular ones. I subject pronoun becomes myself, right? And we becomes ourselves, which is a plural form, right? And you, if it's singular, yourself. If it's plural, yourselves. And the next one, they becomes themselves. And he becomes himself, she becomes herself, and it changes form and it becomes itself. What about the meaning? How does it change? Let's study in more details with examples here. Well, we use reflexive pronouns when the subject and the object of the verb is the same. So here you are reflecting back on the subject. For example, ouch! I cut myself as I was making salad. I cut myself. So the act of cutting affected who? Me. That's why I use myself. So that's the first use. And the second one, we use it for emphasis to make the meaning stronger. So here the reflexive pronoun is in the role of an intensifier. So let's have a look at the example. I made this salad myself. So here, this is making the meaning stronger. I can take this out of the sentence, right? It doesn't change the sentence much. So if I want to stress, put more emphasis, I add the reflexive pronoun there. The last one, we use it with by to mean alone or without any help. So this one is a bit different from the others, right? Let's have a look at the example. I made this salad by myself. It means nobody helped me. Yes, I made this salad alone. Are you ready to practice? Now, look at the pictures and read the sentences. Don't forget to choose the correct reflexive pronoun with me. Let's go. Number one, she is looking at herself in the mirror. So she's the one who is looking and she sees herself. She's looking at herself in the mirror. Number two, they are enjoying themselves. Very good. Themselves at the party. Number three, he cut himself as he was shaving. Yes? So he is the one doing it and he's the one who is affected. He cut himself. Number four, I made this cake myself. So here I am making the meaning stronger with the reflexive pronoun. Number five, she is getting dressed by myself or herself? She. So we have to say by herself. So in this case, the meaning is this. Nobody is helping her. She is doing it alone. She is getting dressed by herself. She's getting dressed alone. Okay, without any help. Number six, they are helping. They are helping who? They're helping themselves, of course. And the next one, I introduced myself to the team. Yes, I introduced myself. Number eight, I didn't do this project by myself. We did it as a team, yeah? We did it as a team, so I didn't do it by myself. Good job, everyone. Are you ready to practice further? This time, I want you to find the mistake in each sentence. There is a problem with the pronoun in each one. So let's go. Number 1. Yourself can take a shower and get dressed quickly, right? So what's the problem here? You cannot start a sentence with a reflexive pronoun. We need a subject pronoun here, right? So you need to say you instead of this one. You can take a shower and get dressed quickly, right? Okay, number 2. She is enjoying myself on a boat trip today. Who? She. She is enjoying? Yes, you need to reflect back here, right? She is enjoying herself, not myself, right? And number 3, they can go home by themselves. There is a problem with the form here. Look, themselves is supposed to be plural. Here, you need to say themselves. Yes, themselves. Good. Number 4, can you teach herself how to play the guitar? Can you teach herself? No. Reflect back here again. Can you teach yourself? Not herself, right? Number 5, Anne baked this cake by herself? No, this is supposed to be plural, right? Herself. Herself. This is the correct form. Good. Now, number 6. Do you sometimes flatter you? Do you sometimes flatter yourself? You're reflecting back, okay? Not you, yourself. Good. And the last one. My brother is very different from my sister and myself. No, my brother is very different from my sister and me. We need an object pronoun here, everybody. Okay? I hope this was helpful. Let's have a look at today's keywords and phrases. We learned reflexive pronouns and how to use them. So let's remember. Myself, ourselves, yourself as a singular one, yourselves as a plural one, themselves, himself, herself, and itself. We use them when the subject and the object of the verb is the same person. For example, I've burned myself. We also use them for emphasis. I cleaned my room myself. So here we can take out the reflexive pronoun and the meaning stays the same. And the last one, we use them with by to mean alone or without any help. I cleaned my room by myself, which means nobody helped me. Thank you for watching. You can find the practice files for this lesson on the link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!